Hi, welcome to another edition of Tech Talk brought to you by BE Power Equipment. My name is Craig, and today I'm going to show you how to set up your inverter generators for parallel operation. So, your existing generator isn't providing enough power. Here's a possible solution for you. Parallel your two inverter generators together. You're running out of power in your RV. You're tired of lifting your big heavy generators onto the back of your truck, or you need to save more backup power for your home. Paralleling two generator inverters will solve the issue for you, and I'm going to show you how to do that right now. We need first a parallel kit in order to attach the two units to work together. Now BE has this one unit here, and this has a 30 amp twist lock 120 volt plug, as well as a 4-prong 50 amp, which is the whole beauty of paralleling your two inverter generators. At the rear, you have your positive and negative, as well as your ground that plugs into both units. One note that I didn't mention before is it has this fantastic little bracket that mounts right on the handle of one of the inverters, keeps it out of your way and keeps it from having to sit on the ground. That just pops up on there, give her a couple turns, and you're all ready to go. Now that we have our box attached onto the handle, we just simply have to plug in our cables. Now these have dust covers on the end. Debris keeps out of these plugs. We'll just take those off, set them aside, and what we're going to do is we'll have that one over there. As you can see, these are well marked, so there should be no confusion. Always remember to have your units not running when you're plugging anything in. And we'll get this ground on, see, and then do this one. Simple. And there you have it. Now you're ready to go. Go ahead, fire up your units. We're using two 4,000 watt, 3,200 continuous watt units. So that means we can go ahead and plug into the 4-prong 50 amp unit for the power that we require. And that's it for today's Tech Talk on how to set up your inverter generators for parallel operation. Thank you. We hope you found this helpful. Give us a like and subscribe to our channel. My name's Craig. We'll see you next time on BE Power Equipment Tech Talks.